Let's fix the camera. Teka lang. You're going up.
See, I do hi.
Yeah.
I do it. I
You
do
say
it.
hi.
It's the bottom. My God.
Oh my God.
And it's the hi.
Oh.
I will go.
Where are you going?
I'm going up. One.
One what?
Mm.
You tell the audience what you're doing. You say, hi, my name is Dahlia. What's your name?
Meow.
What's
Meow.
your name? What's your name? She's ignoring me. Oh, are you playing with a cat? Are you playing with a cat?
Goopy. Goopy.
Goopy. What does Goopy mean?
I do poop. I do poop. I want.
You mean the butt?
I had to poop.
You can ride that. Ganyan ka. Oh, nakasakay ka. Whoa!
I want a pirate.
You're fired? Oh, you're tired?
I want this.
What do you want?
I want to
You want to, ay! You want to ride the boat?
yeah.
Okay, wait. Excuse me. Wait, you want to ride the boat? Where's the boat? Okay, we have to go to a friend so we can go to a boat.
Oh.
Yeah. We have we have to talk to that guy. This guy. Ping Hai. And then we tell him the Pearl Gallery. This way. And then we're gonna go here. Look at the boat. It's so big. Oh, mahulog ka.
I want it down.
Mahulog ka. Oh. Nahulog ka. What happened?
I'm looking at seesaw. I'm just looking at seesaw. I'm looking at seesaw, Tita.
Oh, no, you're stuck.
I just stuck.
Wait. I'll help you. You go down. Wait. You go up here. Wait, I'm helping you. Wait. You need to go up here and then you climb here. Oh! Ayaw magpatulong. Whoa. You say hello. Say hello to the mic.
Hello.
You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.